put it like right
Hey guys, it's Antoine, and with my friend.
Hey guys, I'm Carl again. Hey, what's up?
Carl's here too.
Hello.
And after that squirrel attack, we got pretty
Yes, we
scared. So we decided to come and play some chess. Got out chess.
Couldn't find all the pieces, so I'm using the gum wrapper and 2 of his guys. And yeah, we don't know if this is right, but we're gonna play it all way. So
it's kind of dark.
How we do it?
I'm gonna set up the camera. Is that good?
Can you guys see us? Hello. Hello. Beautiful. Wait.
Beautiful. I love you, but it's action. Crapness.
Okay. There you go.
We'll just set that up. There.
Okay.
Can you see it well?
Okay. You take a first turn.
Okay, hold on.
Which one's the
We need some more light in this
Which one's the
dang place.
Uh-oh!
What did you do?
I didn't do nothing, Antoine. Hush your mouth.
Carl. Okay, well, folks, here's the dealio. There we go.
Can you guys see us? Hello. Hello.
Set it down, Carl.
Hi. Okay, here we go.
Okay, we're gonna do some
So,
chess. We never played chess before, and
Antoine,
we lost the direction, so I'm gonna go first. Here we go.
Take a first turn. Hey! I win!
Darn it! How did you win that fat? Pizza's here.
Pizza!
Finally, it's about time. Finally.
Did you hear that?
It's the squirrel!
It's the Oh my God! Holy Christ! In Britain, we would have this guy dead by now!
Hold on.
He's dead.
Let's bring it in here.
I don't believe he's dead.
He is dead.
He's dead. Don't not go around, Chester.
Lock that door.
Uh-oh.
We finally killed it.
Yes. Huzzah!
Huzzah!
Behead the beast. We've taken his head. And the rest of his body.
It is dead. It is.
Fire the victory
the end.
shot.
Finally, it is over.